I do believe one of the worst sayings in the world is nice guys finish last. I think it's one of the single most toxic up. I'm so sad that it caught on and it is in our society. I couldn't disagree more. To me, nice guys finish last isn't defining nice properly. I get it all the time. Like, Gary, you talk about all this nice stuff. Like, I'm nice and I'm getting over, I'm getting pushed around. And I'm like, no. Half the people that I see tell me that they're nice and they're getting are actually not nice. They're manipulators. They do with the expectation that someone's gonna do something better for them. That's manipulation, that's not being nice. And other people don't have the ability to be candorous. They're enablers, which is something I struggle with, by the way. But nice is the best. And old school attributes, keeping your word, being kind to people, not judging. Everybody's like, what's going on out there? It's all up. Is it social media? It's not fucking social media, it's us. Social media is empty. We fill social media. And right now we're infatuated with pointing fingers. People have judgment on people 24/7. How they dress, what they look like, how much money they make, their politics, their this. We just judge all day and we don't even know what's going on in that person's head or in their life. And so I think very good attributes, kindness, empathy, compassion, being a good person, that is how you get to the top. Whether that's financial, sometimes if you're talented enough to be financially good, but being nice is never a bad idea.